Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with some more fun spring decor ideas to share with you all. Okay, for our first DIY, these are the items that we'll be using, and everything will be listed down below in the description box for you guys to see what we're using and where I got them from. Alright everyone, let's get started! Okay, we have this tall vase here from the Dollar Tree, and I will be using our silver bling wrap from Totally Dazzled just to wrap it around and deck out our vase. Now I'll be adding some of our black bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. I love this black bling wrap, you guys. It looks very nice. And now I'm just going to use some of this painter's tape and wrap around our design. Now we're just going to add some Mod Podge. And we'll be using these glass seed beads that I got from the Dollar Tree and add them to the bottom of our vase. Now I let the Mod Podge and the beads dry for about 20 minutes. So now I'm going to add some more Mod Podge and add the black glitter and the silver glitter to our design. And now we have our mirror tray that I just glued the Dollar Tree square mirrors onto a piece of foam board. And now I'm going to put some of this bling wrap going around the sides just to hide the foam board that will be showing under the mirrors. And here's our look for our first Glam Spring Refresh decor. I think they turned out very nice and they look lovely on the tray here. And this is another little tea light candle holder I had from before. I just placed it in the middle because I think it makes it look lovely with the two end pieces. And I love how the glitter and the beads look at the bottom. And with our black bling wrap and our silver bling wrap, I think the piece looks very nice. And here's how it looks with the LED lights inside that you can get at the Dollar Tree. I think it looks very nice. You can place candles in them, but I'm just using the LED lights and I think it looks super cute. And this is how it looks with the lights completely off. These LED lights are very bright. It looks very nice. Now onto our Glam Spring Refresh idea number 2. And again, everything will be listed down in the description box for you guys to see where we got everything. And we are going to take our wood box and I'm going to put some white acrylic paint all over the box. Just about one coat. And now that our box is all dry, I have the dream sign, the mirror dream sign here, and we're just going to glue it with some hot glue to the front of our box. And now I have my favorite gems from Totally Dazzled. And we'll be just adding these gems just to bling out our box, make it look super cute. And now for the inside of our box, I just have this old piece of thing here, and I'm gonna bling it out with the bling wrap from Totally Dazzled because our box has lines in between and it will show. So covering it up will make it look even nicer and make our decor look stand out and look very neat. And here we go. We're just gonna place it. Doesn't it look nice? I'm just gonna place it into our box. And as you can see, between the lines, you can see inside, and all you see is a nice silver bling. And now we're going to add our flowers. And now for our third Glam Spring Refresh, I'm going to use some Mod Podge and some white glitter. And I just have a cup that was sitting in my cupboard, you guys. Yeah, you know, it's from the Dollar Tree. And you have things sitting around if you're not using them. Why not take them out, glam them up, and add something nice to your home? So I'm just adding the glitter here. And now it's all dry. So we're going to add the flower bling wrap going around the bottom and up the handle holder just to give it a nice little refresh. And now we're just going to add some flowers. Yeah, any flowers that you would like. We're just going to add some flowers to our teacup. And here's our finished look for our Glam DIY number 2. Doesn't it look absolutely lovely with the dream sign and our lovely gems from Totally Dazzled? As I always say, these gems just make anything you add them to look absolutely beautiful. And here's the finished look for our teacup refresh. You know, have things that you have at home just sitting around, add a little sparkle to them, or a little glam like I did both. And you have a lovely piece of decor to refresh your home for the spring. And who knows, you might have flowers just sitting around too. You could just put them all together and the cost is absolutely nothing because you already have them in your home. I think it looks very nice. I like this one. I think it's so super cute. Alright everyone, tell me what you think of these spring refresh decor ideas. Leave me a comment down below. And don't forget to give me a like, press that thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, press that subscribe button so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed. Bye bye everyone.